Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of exercise 5A. Question number 4. State the degree of each polynomial. We need to find out the degree. Okay children. So what is degree children? We already discussed it. The highest power of the variable is called degree. Okay. You see here in this expression, y is the variable. You see the power. Look at the first term. This is a constant. So constant term, the power is 0. Okay. And see the second term, 3y. So the power is 1. Okay. Nothing is there means it represents 1. And see that next term, third term, y power 2. Okay. So first term 0. Second term 1, third term 2. Okay. In this, which is the greatest number children? 2 is the greatest number. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. So the degree equal to 2. What is degree? The highest power of the variable. Here the highest power is 2. So that the degree is 2. Okay children. Let's see the next question. 8a square b plus ab square minus 5ab plus 2. Okay. You see here two variables are present. In this case, what you want to do children? You have to add the power first. Okay. See here a square. So a power 2, b power 1. So 2 plus 1 what you will get children? 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Sum of the powers you first find out. And second term a power is 1. Nothing is there means it represents 1. So now you add it, sum of this 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And see here a power 1, b power 1. So 1 plus 1 what you will get children? 2. Here nothing is there means here power is 0. Okay. Now compare the number 0, 2, 3, 3. In this, which is the highest power children? 3 is the highest power. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. So the degree equal to 3. You understand children? Let's see the another question. 0.5 x square y plus 0.25 x y square plus 6x square plus 0.75. You take the first term in the x square y. Here x power 2, y power 1. So 2 plus 1 what you will get children? 3. And see the second term here x power 1, y power 2. So 1 plus 2 equal to what children? 3. And here x power 2. Okay. Here the constant term. So the power is 0. Okay. Now you see the powers 0, 2, 3, 3. In this which is the highest one? Which is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. So the degree of the polynomial equal to 3. You understand children? I repeat, the degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the variable. We have to see the power of the variable in this which is the highest. That is the degree of the polynomial. You understand children? See the next one. Determine whether the given polynomials are monomials, binomials, trinomials or none of this. Then state the degree and the coefficients. State the degree and the coefficients of the polynomials. Okay children. So you see here, first we need to identify, we have to say monomials. Which type of polynomials is this? Okay, monomials or binomials or trinomials or none of this. Then state the degree and coefficient of the polynomials. Okay, see here, a question, 5c square d. So in this, how many terms are there children? How many terms are there? 5c square d. Only one term are present there. So what is this? What type of algebraic expression is this? This is monomial. One term is an algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial. Okay, children. So what you will write? This is monomial. The type of algebraic expression is monomial. Okay. Then after finding this, what you have to write? After finding the type, we need to say degree. Okay. So degree equal to, degree means what I said, children? Highest power of the variable. See here c square d. C power 2, d power 1. So 2 plus 1, what you will get, children? 3. Okay. So the degree is 3. Next, what you want to say? Coefficient. So coefficient equal to, what is the coefficient? 5. What is meant by coefficient? Coefficient is a number multiplied with the variable. So here 5 is multiplied with the variable. So 5 is the coefficient. Do you understand, children? Do you have any doubt? Okay, children. See the next question. 15m square minus 2p plus 5. Okay. See here, how many terms are there, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. An algebraic expression having 3 terms is called it as trinomial. What is the answer? Trinomial. Okay. Then next we need to find out the degree. What is meant by degree, children? The highest power of the variable. See here, the highest power is here 2. Sorry, here power of the variable is 2. Second term, the power of the variable is 1. Third term is the constant. The power of the variable is 0. 2, 1, 0. In this, which is the highest power? 2 is the highest power. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. Next, we need to find out the coefficients. Coefficient equal to, the coefficient of m square is 15. The coefficient of p is minus 2. Okay, children, do you understand? See the next question. 12ab minus 8a square b. This is one term, this is another term. So in this expression having 2 terms. And what type of expression, children, is this? If an algebraic expression having 2 terms is called binomial. What is this? Binomial. Next, we need to find the degree. Okay. So in this, see here 2 variables are there. So a power 1, b power 1. So the degree is 2. Here the degree is 3 because 2 plus 1, 3. So the highest power is 3. So the degree is 3. Degree of the polynomial is 3. Okay. Next we need to find out the coefficient. The coefficient of AB is 12 and coefficient of A square B is minus 8. Along with the sign you have to take. Okay, children. See the next question. 7a cube, 5a square b minus ab plus 10b cube. How many terms are there? Here 4 terms are there. And expressions having 1 term, that is monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial. Here none of this option is given. So what is the answer for this? None of them. And write the degree of the polynomial. See here degree is 3. Here 2 plus 1, what you will get? 3. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 3. Okay. So in this 3, 3, 2, 3, which is the highest? 3 is the highest. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Next you have to write the coefficient. The coefficient of a cube is minus 7. Coefficient of a square b is 5. coefficient of AB is -1 because before that there is no number, so it represents 1. Okay, and the coefficient of BQ is 10. You understand, children? How do you find the types of an algebraic expression and degree and coefficient? Is it clear to you? Okay, children. See the next one. Arrange the given polynomials in order of decreasing degree in x. Okay, degree we should arrange in decreasing order. Decreasing means highest to the lowest. Okay, see here, the first of the power is 2. Here power is 1. This is constant, so the power is 0. And here the power is 3. So which is the highest power, children? 3 is the highest power. So first you write it. 6x cube plus 8x square minus 3x minus 12. You understand, children? See the next question. X square y minus 3y cube plus 4x cube minus 2xy square. Okay, see the power here. X square, y power 1. So here the power is 3. 3. Here 1 plus 2, 3. So here all the terms have same power. Okay, first write it the x cube, 4x cube plus x square y minus 2xy square minus 3y cube. Here all the powers are same. Okay, children. You understand how to write it the decreasing order? Very good, children. See the next one. Write the polynomial in standard form. Write the polynomial in standard form. Standard form means we have to arrange the terms in decreasing order. Decreasing order. See here, this is constant term. The power is 0. Here power is 2. Power is 1. Last term power is 3. So first you have to write the 3. Okay. So 8x cube minus 3x square along with the sign you have to take plus x plus 70. You understand, children? See the next question. 20y cube minus 13y minus 3y square plus 1. Here the power is 3, power is 1, power is 2, here power is 0. First you write the 3. 20y cube, next power 2, okay, minus 3y square minus 13y plus 1. This is standard form. You understand, children? Okay, children. The next one is evaluate if A equal to 2, B equal to 1, C equal to 10. A equal to 2, B equal to 1, C equal to 10. So we need to find out the value. So what is given, children? 2b the whole square. First you find out the value of 2b. So 2b means 2 into the value of b is 1 the whole square. 2 ones are 2. 2 square. 2 square what you will get, children? 2 square means 2 into 2. So what you will get? 2 2s are 4. So what is the answer, children? The answer is 4. Okay, do you understand? Just you substitute the value. 2b the whole square. So 2 into the value of b is 1 the whole square. 2 ones are 2, 2 square. 2 square you get 4. Okay, children. See the next one. A minus 3 the whole square. What is the value of a, children? 2. So 2 minus 3 the whole square. What you will get? 2 minus 3. One number is positive. Another number is negative. So you have to subtract. So what you will get? Minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 the whole square. What is the meaning? Minus 1 into minus 1. 1 into 1 you get 1. Minus into minus you get plus. So minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. So what is the answer, children? Plus 1. And next one. Minus 3c the whole cube. What is the value of c, children? the value of C is 10. Okay, the value of C is 10. Just you substitute here. Minus 3 into 10 the whole cube. So minus 3 into 10, what you will get, children? 3 tens are 30. So minus 30 the whole cube. Whole cube means what, children? 3 times we have to multiply the number. Minus 30 into minus 30 into minus 30. Okay. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So what is the answer, children? Minus 27,000. What is the answer? Minus 27,000. You understand, children? See here, 3b into a cube minus c. Okay, so 3 into the value of b is 1 and a cube. The value of a is 2, 2 cube minus the value of c is 10. First 3 ones are 3. And 2 cube, what is the answer, children? 8 minus 10. So 3 into 8 minus 10, what you will get? Minus 2. So 3 twos are minus 6. So what is the answer, children? Minus 6. You understand? This is very important, children. As much as possible, you practice this sum. See here. Minus a minus b plus c the whole square. First substitute the value. The value of a is 2. So minus 2 minus the value of b is 1 plus the value of c is 10. The whole square. First you simplify the bracket. Minus 2 minus 1, what you will get? Minus 3 plus 10 the whole square. So minus 3 plus 10, what you will get? 7 the whole square. Okay, 7 square, what is the answer, children? 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. While multiplying this number, what we are getting? 49. 7 square means 7 into 7. So we are getting 49. Okay, children. So what is the answer? The answer is 49. Do you understand, children? See the ninth one. Write the algebraic expression for the following situation. Here situation is given. We need to write the algebraic expression. Okay. So what is meant by algebraic expression, children? Algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable connected by the arithmetic operators. Okay, children. See here. Rita's age is 4 less than. Less than means subtract. Subtraction symbol we need to use. Okay. Decrease. Less than means decrease. So we need to use subtract sign. Okay. So 4 less than 4 times. 4 times means 4 into. Okay. Her daughter's age X. Okay. So Rita's age is 4 less than 4 times her daughter's age X. So the daughter age is X. So how many times? 4 times they said. So 4 times her age. So 4 into X you get 4X. And less than means what you will do? Subtract. Okay, which number you want to subtract? 4. Okay, so 4x minus 4. This is the algebraic expression. 4 times a daughter's age x. So 4 into x. 4 times means into. So 4 into x you get 4x. Less than means subtract sign. And 4 is, okay, 4 less than is given. So you subtract 4. Okay, children, do you understand? And see the next question. The expression for a 3-digit number. When the 100 digit is A, tens digit is B and unit digit is C. Okay, so 3-digit number. For example, I am saying 352. This is a 3-digit number. How can you say this? in 100 place, in ones place, tens place, 100 place. In 100 place, what number will be there? 300. 5 tens, 2 ones. Okay, like that we have to write the expression. So what is the answer? In 100 place, what is there? In 100 digit is A. So 100 into A. It represents in 100 place A is there. Okay, then next 3 digit number. What you will do, children? How do you write the expanded form? 300 plus 50 plus 2. So we have to use the addition symbol. So plus, okay, this is expanded form. We are writing this. Okay, tens digit is B. So 10B. Here 10 is represent tens digit. Okay, then plus unit digit is C. So what is the expression you are receiving? 100A plus 10B plus C. Do you understand, children? See the next question. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are of length p centimeter each and unequal side is 9 centimeter. Okay, isosceles triangle means two sides are equal and third side is not equal. Okay, and these two sides are equal. So this represent p centimeter and p centimeter, and this is unequal side is represent q centimeter. So we need to find out the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is represent p equal to how many? These two sides are equal. Perimeter means we should add all the sides. Here how many p's are there? P plus, how can you write this? P plus q. Here how many p's are there? 2 p's are there plus q. So what is the answer, children? 2p plus q is the answer. You understand? Because 2 equal sides plus 1 unequal side. So 2 into p plus q. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. The speed of a bus is z meter per second. Write its speed in kilometer per hour. If you want to convert this, you have to multiply with 18 by 5. Meter by second, you are going to convert kilometer by hour means you have to multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, children. So, what is the answer? Here Z is given. Okay, the speed of bus is Z meter by second. So, what you will write? Z into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Then how can you write this? This one 18 Z by 5. You understand, children? 18 Z by 5. Do you have any doubt in this? Okay, see the next question. A pair of shoes cost rupees X. The cost of a dress is 200 more than means plus 5 times. So 5 into cost of the shoes. Here cost of the shoe is represent X. Cost of the shoe is represent X. Okay. So how many times it is more than 5 times? So 5 into X more than means plus more than 200. So plus 200. The cost of the dress is 200 more than 5 times the cost of the shoes. So 5 times the cost of the shoes is represent 5x. More than means plus 200. Okay, children. Do you understand this? Thank you, children.